Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this chandelier for reviewing purposes. It's a chandelier that you can adjust the height and it's perfect to place it outdoors. I'm gonna be placing it right here. As you can see, I have my tools ready, all set, and I think that it's nice because it comes with a really simple and easy to understand installation and assembly instructions, which I think that it's nice. As you can see, it's just one page. As I've said, you can adjust the length of the chain, so you can adjust to different types of ceilings if you need it. Okay, let me take it out of the box. As you can see, guys, it comes really well protected with foam, which I think that it's great. Makes it perfect so it doesn't came any damage or all. Okay, it is the ceiling base where we are gonna adjust the chain to, and well, the chain with the proper main unit. Okay, we need to take these screws off so we can take this protective from the inside. But I think that it's really nice because it comes with a dusk to dawn automatic sensor, so we can just set it up, wait till it's dark, and it will be automatically turned on. I'm gonna adjust the length of the chain because, as you can see, it's not that high, the ceiling part, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it. Okay, now that I have it already adjusted, I'm gonna take each piece out that comes in this base plate, okay? And I'm gonna set it up for doing the proper installation process, which doesn't seem to take that much long. Just basically need to install the ceiling plate, and that's it. You can place it with all the pieces that comes included, which I think that it's great that it comes with everything that you need to install it. So let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works, okay? Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the proper installation process doesn't take that much long, as I've said, and the instructions are really clear. It's a really easy installation that almost anybody can do, even if you are a beginning. It's really easy to install, and maintenance is actually really just straightforward, just needing to wipe the glass when it needs, okay? And the design, I think that it's really nice. It has a sturdy tempered glass that it's perfect to resist any kind of weather issue. It's obviously waterproof, so you can place it ideally whenever you need it, and it's a really easy to change the light bulbs, which uses the E26 base, which I think that it's nice because that's the regular light bulb base, and you can get them really easy whenever you want them. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it looks amazing. As you can see, it was a really easy installation, and what I think that it's nice about this lamp, it's that it's made from a die-cast aluminum material, so it resists weather and everything. As I've said, it's perfect for the outdoors. You can place it on your porch, under your roof, like in the terrace like that, or wherever you need it. And I think that it looks amazing. It has this kind of like frosted design that doesn't let you see the light bulb just clearly, but you can see it right now, which I think that it's a really interesting design. Obviously, all the part feels of an amazing quality, and as you can see, it's really nice. I think that it's nice that it has a photo cell, so it turns on and off independently without having to switch the proper switch on and off, which I think that it's great. You can just leave it on, and it will, when it's daytime and it detects that it's daytime, it will turn on. And when it starts to get dark, like now, right now that in here we don't get a lot of sunlight, it will turn on like this, which I think that it's really nice. Overall, because it was a really easy installation, it feels great. I like a lot the design. I would really recommend it. See you guys.